Hi guys, welcome back to another episode, and this week's a special episode because it's me and Dobby's 2-year anniversary of doing van life. And I was sitting wondering what to do for the episode, and I was thinking pull up some older footage and take a trip down memory lane. However, when I started going back through all the footage, I realised that I've got quite a bit of footage to go back through, from the van build, modifications, upgrades, stealth camps, road trips, the list goes on. And then it got me thinking about you guys. A lot of you beautiful people have reached out and told me how much my videos have inspired you to either A, buy a camper or build your own camper. But I also know a lot of you haven't quite pulled the trigger yet, whether that's out of fear, work life, kids, or you just have a massive case of the what ifs. Well, myself and Dobby want to dedicate this episode to you guys. I couldn't pick my favourite moments, so I'm going to include them all so that you can see for yourself and to use this as a universal reminder of what you're missing while you wait. So if you needed that push to take that leap into van life, this video is going to have you covered. So myself and Dobby want to thank you guys for sticking around for 2 years and hopefully many more. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.